Hello, collective, wherever you are. I hope your summer's safe, summer's warm, surrounded by love, light, happiness, joy, abundance, and filled with so much peace. Real quick, can you do me a favor? Can you hit that like button, please? Please hit share if you like to share, and please hit subscribe and turn that notification bell on to all so you can always be updated whenever I put another message out there for you guys. And if you'd like to donate, you do not have to. It's not a requirement, but it is truly appreciated. The information is in the description box down below. And thank you from the bottom of, but with all of my heart ahead of time, to anybody and everybody who chooses to do so, and to everybody who has been. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh shit, my bad. May God bless your beautiful souls tenfold. All right. And for the super thanks and the memberships and everything, thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless your beautiful souls tenfold. All right. So, real quick, Theodore, I'm glad that you got that. I was worried about the address thing with you being in the Philippines. Let me know what you think. What you think of the decks, and because especially the what was it, the Cosmic Dreamers one. I was interested. All the ones I sent you, that I ordered for you, I was interested in myself. I don't have any of those decks, so let me know how they are, especially the Cosmic Oracle one. I think it was like the Cosmic Dreamers Oracle deck. Let me know how you like that. And guys, make sure you are subscribed, okay? Because I do giveaways every month. So, and it's for subscribers only. And, you know, I said yesterday, I think, or the day before, that it's for United States only. But I guess, no, it worked. I figured a way out because, you know, the winner for this month was, you know, from the Philippines. And, you know, I figured something out in order to be able to get it, you know, to order. You know, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to order for you guys. Like, that's what I did here. So this way it can get, you know, wherever you are. It's this way it won't be for just the United States only. So yeah, just make sure you are subscribed. It is free. Just hit the subscription button. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. All right. All right. So yeah, the download that I got was, whoever is messing in your energy, whoever's messing with you, they are going to regret this heavily. They already are. They're learning you aren't somebody that's not to be messed with. And I don't know what's going on, but somebody's going through some really bad karma right now. I'm talking like really bad karma. They're regretting the day they met you, let alone the day that they crossed you. What goes around comes around, right? Yeah, you're protected. Your home is protected too. They might have been trying to send something to your house, but it's protected. King of Swords, the Four of Wands to the King of Swords. So this is your home, your foundation. You know, this could be your home, your foundation, your finances. I'm strongly getting somebody was trying to send something to your home. And also somebody's trying to locate you. I don't know if this is, I feel like this is like more spiritually. They can't spiritually like locate you. They're trying to locate you, and I'm strongly getting they're trying to send something to you, like they can't get into your energy. Yeah, you're heavily protected. Beautiful. I love it. So let's not forget to give God, Jesus, angels, ancestors, and loved ones that passed away the utmost love, respect, gratitude, and appreciation for all that they do in our lives, right? And for always protecting us. You got people sitting there like, jaws drop, like, what? What? Well, you're getting good luck and fortune, and your good luck and fortune, you're getting good karma, and it's protected because you're doing everything in the upright. You know what I mean? You're doing everything the way that God intended you to. You're not allowing their childish antics to bring you down, and you know what I mean? I just heard they're getting knocked down a size or two. Fucking losers. Oh, man. But that's what they wanted for you, right? Careful what you wish for, because you just might get it yourself. You know what I mean? Treat others the way you want to be treated. Yeah, you're the high priestess. You're getting good luck and fortune in whatever it is that you're doing. And look, it was hidden. They didn't realize that you were the high priestess, that you were as spiritually protected as you are. They're bugging now. They're really bugging. Like, my heart just started like racing. They're bugging. Like, they're really scared to death. They must have been trying to do something really bad to you. And like, I don't know what's going on with them, but like, yeah, they're dumb. But you're getting good luck and fortune when it comes to whatever it is with your spiritual gifts. I'm also getting, you're getting some sort of like upgrades too with the Wheel of Fortune and the High Priestess. Oh, Theodora, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong too. But you know, if those decks, any of those, the 3 decks that I sent you, if they don't have the booklets with them to explain how, you know what I mean, like explaining each card, what you do is there's going to be a QR code. There's going to be like a QR code. All you do is you download a QR code scanner on your phone and scan the QR code, and then it's all digital. It'll be on your phone if it doesn't come with the booklets, okay? So, there you go. Yeah, if you don't know how to use, like, if you don't know about these cards, I'm not sure, like, you know what I mean? I think the karma cards, I believe it says it right on the cards, but I'm not sure about the other two decks. Yeah, if you're wondering how to use them or not, because I don't know if you have any cards yourself. So, that's why if you notice the way I do, like, my reads, like, I explain each card first. So if you don't know, but there is many different reasons for, many different, each card, there's many different meanings to each card. That's what you need to, like, the intuition and everything for, to be able to know which meaning each card, what spirit's meaning by each card. But yeah, so if this is your first time ever having tarot decks, that's why I got you the 3 different decks too, so that you have, like, you know what I mean, just in case you never had tarot decks before, that it'll, you know what I mean. And also the bracelet, the evil eye bracelet, that's like, so if anybody is sending you the evil eye, it wards off negative energy, and it returns the sender. And also in the, what do you call it, any evil eye, it protects you from that, okay? But yeah, just scan this QR code, and then it'll show the meaning of each card on there, all right? But what was I saying, before that? Sorry, guys. ADHD against the best of me sometimes. But yeah, you're extremely gifted. You're getting some sort of spiritual upgrades too, and you're getting good luck and fortune, whatever you're doing. I'm strongly getting you do something. It's your work is your whatever you're doing for work is, with your spiritual gifts, and you're doing it everything in the upright, the way God intended you to. So you're getting some sort of good luck and fortune. I don't know if you have like a platform you're about to, like, your platform, maybe it already did, or it's about to be blowing up, like you're about to have some sort of glow up with your spiritual gifts, and also upgrades with your spiritual gifts in itself. Amazing. Yeah, somebody wants to apologize to you because they see that you have good luck, good fortune, you're getting good karma, they're getting bad karma. So somebody wants to apologize for being childish and petty. Yeah, dude, you're really getting you got good karma coming to you. Just keep staying upright, okay? Keep doing whatever it is that you're doing, as long as you're doing it in the upright and you're doing it with everything is intention, guys, okay? I know most of you know this, but there are, some newcomers, and that aren't fully aware of this, and plus we have the cross watchers that, stay karmic, and it's everything you do is, you have to set an intention behind everything you do. And there is, even if you don't realize it, you have an intention, and God knows all your intentions. So, you have pure intentions, and this is what you have been. You've been doing everything straight from the heart and soul, purely and with great intentions. So you're getting good luck and fortune. You're getting amazing good karma. These fools are out here doing everything with negative intent. So, they're getting their bad karma, and they're getting what they deserve, and you're getting what you deserve in a good way. So just keep doing whatever you're doing in the upright, and you're doing absolutely amazing. If no one told you yet today that you are doing absolutely amazing, and you are amazing, I got your back like a bra strap. You are absolutely amazing, and you're doing amazing. Keep that shit up. Holy Spirit, Divine Spirit, angels, ancestors, over the past away, what does the collective need to know? What do they need to be aware of? Ooh, what was that? Yeah, somebody walked away. It didn't come out. It came like a... Let me see what these cards are first. Painful permanent ending. 10 of Swords to a King of Cups. That you walked away from. Somebody you walked away from. They want to turn that around. Like, you see how this card flipped around and it turned back around. They want to turn around, or I don't know. They want to turn it around. They don't want you to walk away from them. They know it's a painful permanent ending. To a King of Cups. A loving, nurturing, caring person, possibly, or you're this King of Cups. I'm certainly getting you're the King of Cups, because why would it be, if they're in the upright, it wouldn't be. Someone's name could be DJ, D, and then it also looks like it could be a J. So, Depp could be someone's last name, or it could be like somebody's in the depths. Peg could be someone's name. Peg, Peggy, Margaret. Margaret. Peg or Peggy is short for Margaret. Someone's name could literally be Jason, or, you know, their name could begin with a J. Something here significant with a J. I feel like it's a painful permanent ending from somebody that you walked away from because you're a very loving, nurturing, caring person. You're in the upright, all right? Because it wouldn't make sense if this was a King of Cups, you know, up. You know, why would it be a painful permanent ending to them? You know what I mean? If they're in the upright. If they're a very loving, nurturing, caring person. So I feel like you are, you know, maybe they realized they walked away from a very loving, nurturing, caring person, a masculine energy. It doesn't really have to be. I mean, but I feel like it is. I feel like this is, you know, he could be a she could be a he, but the roles, you know, because everybody has, everybody, Lord Jesus, everybody has both energies. It depends on what you're working out of. JD could even be someone's name, or DJ. This is like your spirit team. Somebody was trying to come play in your energy, and maybe, like, you know, maybe while you were in healing or something, but while you're trying to heal yourself, and they're like, no, absolutely not. Your spiritual team came by, swept that little bitch ass up, and took them away. Somebody could definitely have a voodoo doll of you. Every time I see this card, usually not every time, but a lot of times when I see, in this deck, when I see this card, I instantly think of like a voodoo doll, because you see all like the sword that's in them, and it's wrapped around them, and it just reminds me of a voodoo doll. Their voodoo doll's not working anymore. It's like return to sender. It's going right back there, bitch ass. If you feel any pricks or pins, like, you know, it feels like somebody's stabbing you out of nowhere, usually in like your hands or your feet, it could be really anywhere. It's from this voodoo doll. Somebody's definitely doing voodoo on you. It's not working anymore. There's a king and queen. Look, there's a queen of cups right here. I feel like this is like you and your divine counterpart. I'm not taking a card, but look, there's a king and a queen. Somebody's name could begin with a T. Someone's initials can be either DT or JT. They're heavily burdened, or a queen of cups could be heavily burdened because you're protected and you're getting some sort of like raise or job promotion or something, like with the Knight of Pentacles here, and somebody wants to work with you, or, you know, yeah, somebody's going to give you like a job offer. There's a job offer that's coming, all right? Or a raise or promotion or something. Somebody wants to work with you, and they have things balance out for you. Maybe this is your divine counterpart. They want to come into union. This could be your divine counterpart's ex or something. It's a painful permanent ending to them. Maybe they're deciding to end it with somebody else and come in, you know, to union with you. Or even if it's not a, no, yeah, I feel like it is with the King of Cups. I mean, it could be even just like a job offer. Maybe it's going to be a job offer that's going to end up turning into something, something more. Or it could just be somebody coming in with, you know, 1,000,000% love, and like not in a like relationship way, but like in a partnership way, like as in a job or a career or something like that. Something like that's happened. You're going to have a reason to celebrate the Three of Cups. Somebody's over here bugging out. The dinosaurs, they can't sleep at night. They're bugging out probably. You know, maybe I'm strongly getting they were trying to do something in your sleep, and they like can't get into your energy. Or maybe they had a dream. Maybe this is your ex. They had a dream of you being happy and like celebrating with your divine counterpart, and you moving away, or you did move away, or you're about to be moving away, and you're moving out of like rough waters into smooth sailing. And they're bugging about this. This is definitely like your ex or your divine counterpart's ex. Somebody's completely kicked out of your energy. They're boohoo crying or up all night about you moving away, you moving forward, and you not looking back. Like, yeah, you ain't looking back. Like, what the fuck? There ain't nothing back there for you. You're only going forward and up from here, you know what I mean? Hermit. You could be in hermit mode. Somebody could be being watched by the authorities as her detective. Somebody could have been having you illegally, like, investigated, or, like, having, like, a, you know, like, somebody, investigate, like, not investigator, it could be investigator, but, what do you call it, when they have you stalked and shit, you know what I mean? And maybe they are, maybe you did actually move, and maybe that is what, remember I said that somebody's trying to locate you. Maybe they can't find you. Or, but I feel like it's more so, I mean, it could actually be like in the 3D, but I feel like it's, you know, I feel like it's, what do you call it? Like spiritually, because they can't get into your energy. They can't like locate you spiritually, but also maybe it could be, you know, maybe you did move or you're about to be moving and they don't like that at all. And they see you celebrating, having these good times. You have a reason to celebrate you, obviously. The fuck has happened here? You're getting justice, though. They were very unjust to you. Look, the justice card in the reverse with the Ace of Cups. Or was it this way? Well, it was your ex or whoever. Okay, because you're getting this, or your cup's about to be overflowing with love, and the person that came in, like your false flame or your ex or whatever, you know, whatever you considered their past person, they were very unjust to you, and they came in with like a false ass cup of love. It's actually like a cup of poison. And you're getting passionate in the beginnings. I just seen the Ace of Wands, but yeah, you went inward. You healed, and you know, you decided to work on yourself and, you know, to heal yourself and make it a painful permanent ending to them. Like, you don't want, there is no going back to these people, and they're bugging about that because you're doing everything in the upright and you're choosing to move on, move forward, and you're coming out of rough waters and going to smooth sailing, and these idiots can't even get into your energy no more. So they can't stop or block anything. I feel like you're moving in silence, as you should. It's what's very important to continue moving in silence, guys, because these idiots that be clocking you, like, you know what I mean? Like you're on their, like, on, you know, like you work for them or something. It's fucking ridiculous. And they watch your every move, everything. If you have a platform or if you have social media, everything that you post, they're watching. They're probably tapped into your phones. You know what I mean? They're just a piece of shit, and they watch everything that you do. And they, what, you know, if you continue to move in silence, they don't know what you're doing. They don't know what your moves are, so they can't go ahead and try and stop or block it if they don't know what you're doing. So continue doing that. All right, and somebody is definitely being watched, maybe for possibly trying to unalive you, or maybe they did unalive somebody. Their attempts on you. Someone's name could be Joe or Joseph. You have a solid love offer coming in. All your hard work is paying off. All right, hold on. Ow. Oh, something in my eye. All right. Oh, wow. Look at this. All right, you're the one that's in, it's a painful, so you're the one that's in power, not them. You're extremely powerful. You get the attention everywhere you go. You're very good looking inside and out. You, like, demand, like, respect. You know, people, like, they just give you respect. They have to, even these fucking losers, because they know they want to be able to withstand any of the shit that you were able to. All right, so you're very powerful. Someone's also losing. It's a pain. They're trying to end your power. It's not happening, so their power is going to be end. All your hard work is paying off. You're very powerful in whatever it is that you're doing. Excuse me. All your hard work is paying off, okay? Whatever you're doing with your power, whatever you're doing, whatever you're working on, you're very powerful in whatever this is. You know, you're extremely hard worker, and you're getting a solid love offer coming in. You're going to have a reason to celebrate because, you know, you're getting this solid love offer, and it's a loyal love offer, and I feel like it's actually supposed to be this way. I wasn't sure which way because I had something in my eye, which way the cards went, but yeah, it makes more sense this way. That way, Spirit? Yeah. Yeah, and, they're trying to end this love offer coming in because it's your King of Cups or your Queen of Cups put the roles where they fit. And they see how powerful you truly are. You're both very good looking inside and out. You get the attention everywhere you go. All your hard work's paying off. You're going to have a reason to celebrate because you're getting this Ace of Pentacles because, you know, you've been pouring into yourself and your hard work. All right, you deserve this Ace of Pentacles. It's a gift from God. It can't be stolen. It can't be taken. And you see all the gold that's behind this door. God is opening this door, so the only person that can close this door is God himself, but God keeps his promises. So he's not closing it because it's what he's promising you. I just heard you have like 20 years, somebody, and this isn't for everybody, but I just heard somebody's getting like 20 years of good luck and fortune. and they're boohoo crying about this, but you deserved it, okay? You deserve it. You've been through so much, and no matter what you've been through, you've always been this kind-hearted, loving, nurturing, caring person. You haven't been taken out, your pain and frustration and your hurt on other people. You still, even when you didn't have it, you were still helping other people. And I strongly feel like you had a very hard life, possibly your whole life. And like maybe like, I don't know. And I feel like you're the type of person that like it didn't seem like you were ever getting a break, but you were like, if you only knew about how many people were attacking you spiritually and physically, like spirit was always there, helping you and saving you and protecting you and also testing you too to see what you're going to do, if you're going to lose your faith or not. But you never lost your faith, all right? And you're not a materialistic person. This is another reason why you're getting this Ace of Pentacles and why whoever this is for, this isn't for everybody, but it is for somebody. But like this is why you're getting that like 20 years of the next 20 years of good luck and fortune, because you're not that materialistic person. You're not somebody, you can't be bought. You're not that type of person. And even when you didn't have it, you still helped other people. You give your last dollar away, even if you didn't, you know what I mean? You probably have done that. You've given your shirt off your back, literally, quite literally, and to a stranger. Even if like you didn't even know what you're going to eat that day, you're giving away food, and stuff like that. And you might not have seen, the benefits from it. But the thing is, you didn't do it to get anything back. You just did it out of your kind heart and soul. Well, you've been racking up all these years of amazing good karma, right? And, even if you like, you weren't, and I feel like I'm strongly getting like you had a really, like, it might look like to you or to other people that you just had bad luck, but really you had extremely good luck, and you just didn't realize that you didn't tap into that good luck. And you know what I mean, that good, you haven't, like, because, all right, how do I explain this? This is hard to explain. I hope you just understand what I'm trying to say. It's like, you had extremely bad, like, hard life, right? But you don't realize how many people were actually attacking you, okay? And a lot of this was a major test, okay? And over all these years to see if you're going to lose your faith, but you didn't, all right? And to see how you're like, and you just been collecting all this. I don't even know how to explain this, all right? Hold on a second. You weren't doing things to expect things in return, right? And no matter what people were throwing at your way, you still didn't let that darkness turn you dark. You just stayed in the upright. You kept moving. You kept helping people even when you didn't have it yourself. Well, now you healed. You got rid of the people that you had to get rid of. That was also another reason why this wasn't coming in earlier, was you had people around you that were using you, abusing you. You didn't learn those lessons. But now you finally did. You woke up and you healed yourself. You put your sword up. You found your throne that was always there waiting for you. And you decided to get up, dust your shoulders off, and find your throne. You're sitting on your throne with your sword up, and you're not allowing anybody to trick you out of your spot. And you always had faith. That's what the whole thing, like the main thing is, you never lost your faith or your light. All right, even in your darkest times, you never lost you always found the light at the end of the tunnel, which was God. You know what I'm saying? You never lost that faith, even no matter what you've been through, and you've been through hell and high waters many, 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 many times, pretty much your whole life. And you still didn't, you know what I mean? You never lost that light. You never lost your faith. And no matter what, every time you were knocked down, you got back up, dusted your shoulders off, and rebuilt yourself a million times better, a million times stronger, a million times more powerful, and a million times more divine, okay? And now this golden door of opportunities is open to you. And I heard for somebody, this is 20 years of good luck and fortune. So for like the next 20 years, you're going to be seeing a rainfall of money. And nobody can close this door. Nobody can steal this. Nobody can take this, because you built this yourself. This is all your good karma, and it's also the year of karma. You know what I mean? This is your year that you get this rainfall of where it starts. You know what I mean? Where you start to see this abundance and prosperity flowing in like a rain. Like it's raining from the sky, because it is. Just continue But you know what I mean? Make sure you continue to always stay in the upright. Just because you had 20 years of good luck doesn't mean like, oh, okay, well, I know I'm getting this 20 years of good luck, so let me go shit on people. No, obviously not. And I don't have to tell you that because you want to do that, obviously. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah, because God trusts you with this. God knows you deserve it. If out of anybody, you deserve it. And God, Jesus, angels, ancestors, and loved ones that passed away are so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You should be proud of yourself too, because you know you definitely deserve this. So just continue doing everything in the upright, okay? And really important, most importantly, never lose your faith, no matter what. And anybody that you cut off, that you had to put your sword up against, do not allow them back in. Because I'm telling you, you're about to have some sort of major breakthrough when it comes to finances. Major breakthrough. Just be in that open and willing to receive energy, okay? Don't close, like, you know what I mean? Don't close yourself off and don't limit yourself, okay? Because you have a major abundance coming through. Major. And this Ace of Cups, beautiful. AA, somebody, maybe you are in recovery. Maybe you had some sort of addictions that you healed, and you've done it so gracefully. And, you know, somebody could maybe possibly, your divine counterpart could possibly be healing from this themselves. Don't have to be, but something about AA, something about, like, you know, alcohol. Like maybe somebody could have some sort of alcohol issues that they're recovering from. Either you did, or it could be like alcohol or drugs of any kind. It could be like weed. It could be anything. Weed is still a drug. You know what I mean? Nicotine is actually technically a drug. You know, caffeine is even technically a drug as well. You know what I mean? So it doesn't have to be like, you know, an actual, like, you know, like heavy hardcore drug. It could be anything like that, but somebody's like recovering from something like that or has recovered. And if you did, I am so fucking proud of you, okay? And that's not, you know, we make it look easy, but it's not easy at all. But we make it easy. It's because our willpower. Somebody's also trying to attack your willpower. Someone's name could be William, Bill, Billy, Willard. This could be your name or somebody involved in a situation or a passed on loved one is speaking to me and through me for you and to you. But yeah, your card's about to be overflowing with love as well. Beautiful. I love it. Holy Spirit, Divine Spirit, angels, ancestors, and loved ones that passed away. What does the collective need to know? What do they need to be aware of at this time? Please, thank you. Yeah, but look at all your hard work is paying off tremendously. Tremendously. You're about to have some sort of like, this is like a harvest. Your harvest season's coming in. All that hard work and energy that you put out is coming in. And it's coming in like a fucking rainfall. Like a waterfall. So be prepared. Get ready to, you know, be in that receiving energy. Yeah, your ships are coming in. Look, 3 wands. Eight of Pentacles to the Ace of Pentacles to the 3 of Wands. It's coming in. Your ships are coming in. Your harvest is here. Get ready for it because it's here. Beautiful. And I feel like even if you moved recently, you're going to be moving again because you're getting this like major abundance coming through. And it's coming from your hard work, okay? You deserve this and it's coming in. And I feel like you're going to be possibly moving again. You're going to be going from like a renter to a owner or something like that. You're going to end up owning properties. Oh, okay, maybe you're going to be in real estate, okay? Or maybe you're just going to have like enough money to be able to buy multiple properties. I don't fucking know. Yeah, and people are boohoo crying. They say they realize that you're their gift from God and they shit it all over you. And now they ain't a part of this. Well, if they would have played their cards right, if they would have, you know, been on your side instead of trying to attack you, steal from you, and end you, they could have been part of this. Especially with the type of person that you are. You give, you know, your shirt to like off your back to a complete stranger. Even if you only have $1 in your pocket and you've seen somebody that needed, whether you knew them or not, you would give that $1 to them. You know what I mean? And so obviously if you have, you know, abundance of money, a rainfall of money, like a waterfall of fucking money, of course you're going to help, you know, people that you know and you love. All right? Like, they could have been a part of this, but they decided to shit all over you. So they ain't going to get a fucking penny from you. And they're completely bugging out. they're losing out on opportunities. They realize that you, like, you know, they fucked up big time. They picked the wrong side, quite clearly and obviously. Idiots. Ace of Cups. There you go. I love it. And it's a painful permanent ending to they're trying to end this, they're trying to cause a painful permanent ending, but you're too powerful. You're coming in with your divine counterpart. It's coming in. Your cup's overflowing with love. All right. And again, something about, there's some sort of hidden love. You see the moon in the background. There's like some sort of hidden love. Somebody's not telling you. I feel like it's your divine counterpart that's coming in. They're not telling you their feelings yet. Okay, you're also enlightening and healing this person and people around you. You're definitely a healer. See, like the enlightenment, the lines going out, that's being enlightened. Also, whatever you're doing with your hard work, you're doing it straight, purely, like 1,000,000% pure and from the heart. You're 1,000,000% authentic, true to yourself, to others, and most importantly, to God. And you know, you're doing all your hard work, whatever you're doing with your power and your work is, you're doing it straight from the heart, 1,000,000% pure and you know, full of love, all right? You don't sugarcoat things, like you're doing it 1,000,000% genuinely, and you're healing so many and enlightening so many people and showing so many throughout your whole life. That's all you did was pour out love to everybody. So all that good karma you've been stacking up, and now you're getting that, you're finally getting that back in your life, because I feel like you were surrounded by snakes your whole life. People that came in with false ass, a couple of that were just poisoning you. They were steering you in the wrong direction. They were purposely giving you you know, the horrible advice. Okay, they were telling you the complete opposite of what they should have been telling you, or what they were, you know what I mean? They're giving you false hope, false, you know what I mean? And they were just trying to steal from you and end you. They thought it was funny. They when you were hurt, when you are in pain and you're hurt, you know, they're purposely setting things up around you to cause you pain and agony. And they got off on this. This is people, scumbag, you know, those scumbuckets that get off on torturing people and seeing people in pain. Well, keep that same fucking energy, pussy, when it comes back to you, all right? Because it's coming back. You're fucked around with a real one. Confirmation. Keep that same energy. You think it's real cute and funny? Wait till it happens to you. You ain't gonna think it's so cute and funny, because it's already happening to you, ain't it? Guess what? We're getting the last laugh, not you. Keep that same fucking energy. Collective, you're getting the last laugh. Know that for a fact. You already got the last laugh, and you're going to continue to laugh. Yeah, you're planning your whole new world. Okay, you know, you have the whole world in the palm of your hands. You could be a visionary. Visualize. Okay, visualize what you want. All right, that's how you manifest things sooner too. You visualize it, all right? And when you're manifesting, you know, visualize what it is that you're trying to manifest, and see it. And actually, while you're in meditation, see what it is that you want, what you're trying to manifest in, and sit in that energy, what it feels like to actually have it, and just know that it's done. And it is. And that's what you've been doing, I feel like. You're a powerful manifester as well. A rapid manifester.